So I've been working with a business lately. The business owner is in his early 60s, and we've been working on different avenues for him exiting his business as he thinks about retirement. So it's probably still 5 or so years away, but that is how far in advance you need to be thinking about how you're going to exit your business if you are at that stage too. So regardless of your age, whether you're younger and thinking about exiting your business or whether you're thinking of exiting it for retirement purposes, it's the same type of strategy. Now, one of the things that I do hear quite a lot when I'm talking to business owners about this is that they want their cake and they want to eat it too. And the first question that I'll always ask a business owner when they're talking to me about exiting is, what do you want? Do you want cash or do you want out? And what I mean by that is, do you want a nice lump sum cash payment, or do you want to just exit your business and walk away immediately when the sale happens? Because getting both is pretty much like trying to look for a unicorn. So it's incredibly difficult anyway for small business owners to sell your business. So actually only about 1% of small businesses achieve this. So it's difficult enough to get to this stage anyway where you've got an investor interested in your business. But typically investors will normally want the business owner to stay in the business, because the business owner in small businesses is so critical to the day-to-day running of the business. They've got so much knowledge, they know everything, and generally they've got the relationships with the customers as well. And this is why most investors will want to tie the business owner into the business. So if you're a business owner that's wanting to just sell your business and walk away the next day, that's going to be incredibly difficult for you. Now, when you are looking at getting an investor, they will want to tie you into the business. Now, it could be anything from sort of a few months up to 5 or so years. And generally, what happens with that is that they will then put earn-out options against the sale of the business. So they'll say, for example, if we achieve profit of, then when you leave the business in 5 years' time, your payout will be this. So the more profit that the business makes whilst you are in it, and there could be other milestones that you have to hit, for example, around like team structure and things like that, perhaps acquiring customers or getting certain projects over the line. All of those things will be tied into how much the eventual payment that you will get is. So if you are interested in maximising the cash that you get from selling your business, then you should be prepared to stay in your business long term. But if you're interested in just simply walking away from your business as quickly as possible, then this is going to be very, very difficult to come by. And that's because if you're not in the business and something goes wrong, that's entirely on the business owner to resolve, and therefore the business owner is taking all of the risk. There could be a downturn in the marketplace completely out of the business owner's control, and without you in it to sort of help them weather that storm, then it's entirely at their own risk. So if you're wanting to walk away from your business and just get out of it, then your chances of getting even a fair market value for your business dramatically increases. And actually, what is more common when it comes to exiting businesses is that rather than actually getting any money at all for your business owners that need to walk away, particularly when it's like for health reasons, for example, maybe you become quite ill and you just need to leave your business because you're not able to run it anymore, is that actually you have to give your business away and it has no value at all. So it's something that as a business owner you need to be thinking about this 3 to 5 years before you plan to leave your business, is what is it that you want to be doing? Because if you decide in 5 years' time that you want to retire, but you only start looking for somebody to buy your business in 5 years' time, then that's not going to give you a lump sum payment, because you're going to have to work for another 3 to 5 years to get this. So this is why in your mind you always need to know why you want to exit your business and how you want to exit your business, and you need to decide whether it's cash or an out strategy. You generally don't get both.